Alright, what's up guys? So thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be doing a pull apart of front panels and hood, bumper, grill, all that stuff for our friend's Forester that we were rebuilding. He got in a pretty bad front end collision and he decided he wanted to rebuild the car. So it's about 4 a.m. right now and I'm going to go to bed and pick you guys up when I wake up. And then we'll see you when I wake up. Alright guys, next morning, got 4 hours of sleep. I'm gonna eat, meet up with the squad. We're gonna head down to the junkyard, go grab those panels and stuff, and then talk to you guys after I'm done eating. Now we're just taking off the headlights to get to the fender to start taking off the bolts there. Okay, update. Didn't film anything at the junkyard. Got a little busy. Didn't pick up the camera. But, yeah. So, right now, just trying to bend this cross member back. It's kind of giving us a fit. Sweet. But, yeah, like, there's that. We gotta redo. But, we ended up with the black because it's what we could find. Come on, kick that cross member back to straight, dude.
Don't hurt yourself now. Don't dent your windshield.
Bro, chill!
That's freaking like
my bad, baller. Add eliminate. Oh.
Look at this head ass.
Colton's here.
That head ass.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Yep, you got a long ways.
Update, Colton.
What's up, dude? Got all the goodies.
Black hood, black grill. Here's that messed up hood. Yeah, everything's just kind of. Okay, dude, chill. Neighbors, bro. Don't piss them off. Hey, your mom. All right.
Hey, they haven't gotten mad at me yet.
Start banging.
Do the smart way.
Bang it, bro.
I don't want to hit myself.
That a boy, Andy.
You want these pliers?
Those pliers.
Fuck, maybe.
Alright, I'm gonna go
Laker
put some
baseball.
water on
Boom.
to boil.
Tugging.
It's been sitting there for like 3 months.
Just sit a bit.
Okay, so the other things we picked up. Radiator for him.
The overflow.
Coolant overflow. Assortment of things. And then we found this little Gem STI turbo.
Yeah.
What one was it?
Got the VF48. No shaft play. Shit's new.
Spanking new.
It's going in.
The only thing is we gotta figure out your little flange setup there, brother. Okay, so this guy is actually not part of our little crew, but he's pretty cool. I won't show his license plate. My boy Colton. This car's always under construction, but
For sale, dude.
your car's for sale? Nice.
2009 WRX.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah, this thing.
Oh, this thing's for sale.
I'm gonna buy it.
Bro, I'll buy it. I love this Gen. How much does he want?
I don't know. It doesn't say.
It's just a carbon wrap. It's not even real. But stick. It's alright. But
Besides exhaust.
we got the Legacy wagon. Shout out Crispy. Andy's Jeep. We're just figuring it out.
There? Yeah?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's not.
Bet you it's not too.
Bet you it's been sitting there for a fat minute.
It's been a couple days.
Oh man, you got a lot of work ahead of you, but you're doing great. How's it feel?
About your windshield.
Hey, so we're just taking off this ground so we can pound pretty hard. Zach, how well do you think this is gonna go?
It'll work eventually.
I mean, we got that big old crease. Oop, that big old crease right there. It's gonna be a little bit to take out. Andy's dancing to the beat over here. Not showing your face.
Who are you talking to?
Andy! He don't want to be in the video.
I don't care.
Boom! There he is. Oh, he turns away. What the hell? Okay.
I know I hide from cameras.
No, but we got a lot of work to do on this cross member on this engine bay.
Just been
Motor's fine.
Look at that.
Radiator got destroyed, so that's why we have this new one. New crease found. That's gonna be a little bit to work on. Shout out to Zach's neighbor that lives right over there. Gave us some tools.
Where'd the pliers go?
Ryan?
Ryan, where's the pliers?
Bastard.
Hey, they're right there.
Grab them.
I'm getting them. Here you go, Andy.
It's coming.
It's coming, boys. That's what she said.
It's already went, dog. It's all over the floor.
She already came.
It's already gone, dog. You don't got no more.
Already gone. I didn't see this one. That one's pretty bad crease, but that's alright. That one's a little bit better than the other one.
You got a weird ass sleeve in here. Look how long that bleeder bolt is. What the
Holy
fuck do you need that for?
bleeder! Look at that nipple. Oh, he had to do it.
Not all we got.
Whack away, bro.
Alright,
This boy's trying to go baseball on this shit. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hey, that's good stuff right there.
Ball one, ball two.
Worked.
Time to walk.
Worked.
I like
Do it a little more.
Like it. Do it a little more.
That's what she said.
Yo.
No way, you just... Oh, you just broke it. Well, I guess that's just more welding for me.
Broke it?
That's alright.
maybe a
Oh
little
my
bit.
I
god.
don't see why we just don't go cut one out. Fucking
I mean, but the thing is we're gonna have to get that thing out anyways.
Eventually. After you get
But-
everything on.
Yeah. When I actually start nitpicking.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
this is gonna be rough. Yeah,
Yeah.
rough boys,
This'll
rough
work
boys.
for now. Yeah.
I mean, we just kind of got to get the radiator mounted today.
Temporary.
But
Temporary.
No, no. Your nervous system work?
I mean, getting the radiator mounted today,
I think you're
I don't
broken,
know.
my guy.
but
I wouldn't count it today. I've got too much metal work to do.
yeah. So depending on how far we get, I'll update you guys. But we're gonna try and get to work and get this pounded out.
Have anywhere
All
to
right.
swing.
Well, I know.
Like a couple minutes later, we used boiling hot water out of this
What are
pan,
you doing, dog?
and it actually was able to get it out pretty well. I mean, pretty simple.
I
It
could have put my hand.
softens it up a little bit. But we got it straightened out just a little bit. As you guys saw.
Getting there?
So,
Ready for me again?
Yeah.
Christmas party.
bye, bro.
See you later.
Lame, dude. Christmas.
Peace out, Andy.
Hey, bro.
We're gonna need more hot water.
Yeah,
That's
go.
where I'm going.
Hey,
Hurry
go
up,
boil
bro.
some more water.
Don't make me cut you dick up.
Oh, what'd you say?
Nothing.
Oh, see, he moves his head every time. Look at that. This boy don't want to be YouTube famous.
What?
Yells at Brandy.
Ready?
What else do we need to hit?
Videotape this fool. He's gonna run into something.
Don't hit anything, bro.
Don't pull a Fran.
The bro van. Shout out, eliminate. You can't see it, but that says eliminate.
Eliminate what?
It's all swerving.
What time is it?
Bye-bye.
No, it's 4:30. It's okay. I got about 20 minutes.
Where are you going?
Yeah, it's
I gotta
not bad.
go to my
Look
freaking
at that.
grandma's dinner, dog.
Bro.
It's her birthday, though.
So next thing we got to do
Bring your
is once he
grandma
gets...
No, dog, dude.
So,
here. Get the crease out.
No, she won't.
all right, we got X-Body dude going at it right now. Okay, major progress actually. So Andy was able to get that crease out even more. Still a little messed up, but it's all right. We managed to get that straight. Zach's just taking off this panel to match the sides for that, so we know how that looks. And this is definitely going to be a multi-video series, but you guys are going to see this progress from start to finish, as long as I don't forget. But water.
Just don't know which way it wants to go. Like,
Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm back inside of my house. That's the end of the working on the Forester tonight. Everybody had to go do Christmas dinner stuff with family, but that's alright. So that's the end of part 1, and thanks for watching.